Now here's what's going to come in handy for y'all. Some things you can do to help find factors and stuff. First off, maybe I want to just solve this problem right here, see if I can factor it. I'm going to look at this last number here. What are the only factors of 1? 1 and 1. Which you could have a positive 1 times a positive 1, or what? Negative 1 times a negative 1. So I know that I'm looking at either positive 1 or negative 1. And here's what's really cool. If I go to the equation and I write it down, x cubed plus x plus 1, but all I'm going to do is this. Let's test it for this. Put 1 in here and 1 in here. Well, 1 cubed is going to be what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 makes what?
3.
Did that equal 0?
Nope.
So I know that positive 1 is what? Not a what?
Not an answer.
It's not a factor, not an answer. So now let's try it with, same problem, let's try it with what? Negative 1, right? If I put negative 1 in here, well this one will be negative 1, because negative times negative times negative will be what?
Negative.
Negative. But I'm going to add 1. Actually, this one will be negative 1. Negative 1 and negative 1 will make what? Negative 2. But negative 2 plus 1 makes what? Negative 1. So was that answer 0?
No.
So that means this one has
No.
no real solution, or I should say it's no real number answers. I should say that. Maybe no, it has no, I think the exact word is not real. The exact word is rational. It has no rational answers. It doesn't have real. In other words, your answers would only be square root answers. That's what it means. Your answers will only be like square roots, which are irrational answers. Okay? You have no rational answers. All right? Go ahead and